Life is pretty good. But our best moments happen when we are free from worry and concern and can live life to the fullest. But finding reliable boat service providers can be difficult. Voicemails go unanswered. Surprise invoices that overcharge you. Sometimes they don't even show up. There's got to be a better way. The good news is, there's help. Ask your doctor about Boat Planet, the first all-in-one prescription-strength boat maintenance resource. Boat Planet connects boaters to marine professionals and service providers in their area. Simply submit your service request and get quotes from qualified vendors in no time. And the Boat Planet app makes the process even more convenient.
Side effects may include reliable service, multiple vendor options, financial protection, increased satisfaction, clear communication with Boat Planet support team, more time on the water, fewer arguments with spouse, spontaneous naps, excessive smiling.
I use Boat Planet. So should you.
Get help for any type of boat, anytime. Enjoy a better boating experience with Boat Planet.
Use only as directed.